So I have got my flight. I'm heading to Mumbai. Yes! And I've got my flight in 2 hours. Actually 1 hour. I have to leave the house in 1 hour. So I will take you along with me to Mumbai. But before I go, Mums is making me breakfast. And she's making me paratha because that probably won't be eating parathas in Mumbai. Wait, I'll show you what she is giving me for breakfast. This is bharta, which is smoked aubergine, onion sabji. This is a peanut okra sabji, which Mum's friend has sent for me to try. And is going to make the paratha for me. Obviously, it's at home, so it's going to be made with homemade ghee. Just a plain, simple paratha, Punjabi style with homemade ghee. To be honest, everywhere in India you make parathas with ghee, so. Right, I'm gonna sit and eat. I think something has just arrived. Somebody sent me some food to try. So I'll show you what's arrived. Got some chakli. Coco Lab by Rashi. And it's a mom and daughter, I think, duo who do some Gujarati food. Let me open and show you. For breakfast, I'll call it brunch, I've got khandvi as well, which has just arrived along with chakle. Look at that. Started with paratha, finishing with paratha. Just saying bye to one of the neighbors. Look, she's made the rangoli, so pretty. Leaving home, I've just said bye to Mom's neighbor. She's done the tikka and she's given me a sesame seed laddu, which is delicious. Sweet, but not overkill. So much flavor of jaggery and sesame. Amazing. This is my top favorite and I'm very excited to be here. I'm now going to my cousin's house to stay with her. Let's see what food Mumbai has to offer. It's evening market time, so people are out to buy things. Food like vegetables, everything, fruits, clothes. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Everyone's doing their shopping before they get home. Such a buzz. Look at that. Stalls everywhere. Okay, I have just arrived and she's already got chaat ready for me. Wait, I'll show you. So that is Sev Puri.
It's sweet potato chaat.
Seriously?
Yeah.
It's sweet potato chaat. I finished it all. It was so good. I didn't think I'll eat it all, but I ate it all. And we still got dinner to go. So we're getting ready for dinner. I am quite full now, but we've got rice and Mangalorean fish curry. So for the next couple of days, you will be seeing Nimisha quite a lot in my vlog because she's my first cousin and we've grown up together, so we are really close. And I'm staying here and she's just finishing this Mangalorean fish curry with some tempering. Maybe I should have seen the recipe, but guys, I'm tired. So I'm just going to eat it and not see the recipe. So it's pure ghee tadka.
It's not a part of the recipe, but
Oh.
I do it because it enhances the flavor.
ghee enhances any flavor.
Yeah, that's the Punjabi touch to the Mangalorean curry.
That's true. So Nimisha is a Punjabi and she's married to a
Telugu.
So
And I'm
that's
making
right.
a Mangalorean curry. You know, मैंने ग्रेवी थोड़ी पतली रखी because we were to eat with the rice.
Yeah. This is so good. Maybe I should take the recipe. And for sweet, we are having proper Mysore pak from Hyderabad, and this is bundi laddu.
No, so this is from Bangalore.
Oh,
This is from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad and Bangalore. So proper South Indian sweets. Actually, let me show you. Mysore pak is basically sugar and ghee. I
And
actually
besan.
shared a recipe in my book. मेरे तो मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
It melts in the mouth, absolutely. And ghee is a jamta bhi nahi. I don't know how they do it, and it's pure ghee.
So that is a wrap on today. I am tired, I'm happy, I'm in Mumbai, and I had great dinner to wrap up today. I also just want to say a very quick thank you for showing love to this vlog series, because I wasn't sure how you guys are gonna react to it. It's not something I've done before, like vlog for every day. My next 4-5 days in Mumbai are busy, they are packed. I just want to say thank you so much. Do not worry, I'm going to be back in my kitchen in literally 5 days, and then we're going to be back to trying new recipes. And actually, I'm going to try and recreate some of the things I have eaten over the few days, the ones that you have seen in my vlog, so that you can also try those things at home. And I will promise to keep the recipes simple as always. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, like, share, comment, and I will see you back in my kitchen next.